Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, 21st July 2020. You are welcome in physics class 9th O level. We have already studied and started so many things in Unit 12 about the light. And in our last lectures, we studied about the total internal reflection. Today we are going to start the use of total internal reflection in different scientific devices, and these devices we use them in our daily life. Here in the figure you can see that a rough sketch of optical fiber is shown, and it is made out of thin strand, not pipe, strand, not hollow. Look like pipe, but they are not hollow inside. Strand. So these glass or plastic strand are coated with some plastic rubber coating. There are the material inside, it is filled. It is not a, again I'm telling you that it is not a pipe. This plastic or glass material, over it the lamination or coating of some low refractive index material, rubber like. And this glass or plastic fiber is of high refractive index. When the light enters, it several times suffer through the total internal reflection. So in this way, light can travel, sound can travel thousand many kilometers. These cables, optical fiber cables, they are underground and many thousand kilometer distance. The beauty of this one, they are flexible, unbreakable, and higher signal carrying capacity. Before this, in our Pakistan, in telecommunication, the biggest use of this glass fiber is in telecommunication. And the advantages of glass fiber over the copper wire. Before long, we have been using the copper wire cladded with the plastic. In many areas, we still use that. But now the age is very advanced. We are living in this. So the biggest achievement the science has, that is in telecommunication. So optical fibers, as compared to the copper wire, they carry higher signal carrying capacity. They can carry the more energy, the more information over long distance than a copper wire without any wastage. No weather problem. While there were the copper wires during rainy day, we have many problems. Toss telephones are because of the dampness. The system used to be that our telephones during the weather, rainy weather, they many time found that. So, in use of fiber, optical fiber, in telecommunication, it increase the number of signals. They can carry thousand many signal without interruption in a one cable. Even the light or the sound it passes, it travels thousand many kilometers. Many calls are there, but they do not interrupt, they do not cross each other. Every sound, every light ray, it several times, thousand many times have total internal reflection. So we are taking now the advantages of glass fiber or optical fiber over the copper wire, particularly in telecommunication. Higher carrying capacity, less signal degradation, mean high signal carrying capacity. They are light in weight. Copper, of course, you know that it is metal and that is of high weight. Glass fiber or optical fiber or plastic fiber, they are very light in weight. Low cost, of course, cheap value. The cost of manufacturing of optical fibers, glass fibers, plastic fibers is very low as compared to the copper, the metal ones. These days, telephone conversation and internet data are transmitted across countries using optical fibers and not copper wires. And one more use, that is in medical industry. In medical industry, they are being used as light pipe inside the body, in our ear, in our nose, in our heart, in our stomach. Doctors can't view directly. Even now, in some special part like your kidneys, your heart, along with the cam, along with the cam, these light pipes are being sent in our heart, in our stomach. Light pipes consist of the glass fiber or the optical fiber, along with the cam, very small sensitive cam, and on computer screen, on laptop screen, doctors can see the whole part, internal structure of our whole body, our hidden parts. And one thing very important, that the doctors show the operation and get help from the senior doctors sitting in advanced countries. How? Only because of optical fibers. And these glass fiber, when used to light up the internal structure, they are called endoscope. Endoscope is a such a device which is used to light internal structure. So in our medical field, in your nose, in your ears, and sensitive internal part can be illuminated by the help of light pipe. And these light pipe are consist of optical fiber or the glass fiber. Thank you and God bless you. Have a nice day. Hopefully we will see tomorrow. God bless.